Hi Power Apps friends! Thanks for tuning into this video where I'll show you how to create a table, formerly called entities, in Power Apps. Let's go! Here's what we're going to be building. We're going to pretend that we're building an app for a veterinary clinic and they need a way to capture information about pets. We'll create a new table called Pet with columns for name, type, weight, date of last visit, their picture, and their owner. This is going to point to the contact table that we get out of the box. I'm here at make.powerapps.com and I've created a solution for Tiny Veterinary. I'll click into that. If you aren't sure how I got this far, check out this other video where I walk you through how to create an environment, solution, and a model-driven app. At the moment, this is just an empty solution, so I'm going to click on Tables, and then to add a new table, come up to New, Table. We'll call this Pet. The primary column is going to be name, which is perfect because we want the pet's name, so we'll leave that as it is. There are advanced options as well. For what we're doing, we're not going to worry about these, but just know that there's other things that you can configure, and then say save. And there's our table for pet. That was easy. Now I could end the video right here, but if you're building a table, you probably also want to add some columns to it. You'll see there's quite a few that you get out of the box. These come standard with all the tables, things like created by, created on, and so forth. But to add your own new columns, come up here to Add Column. We already have the column for name, so we'll skip that one from our list, but we need a type. This will be the type of pet. So data type here will be choices. This will allow the user to pick what their type of pet is. We need to go to find that, so we'll pick New Choice. We'll start with dog. And if you hit enter, that'll drop you to the new line, and then I'll tab to get down to that line. Cat, tab, rabbit, enter tab, reptile. You can also add new items this way as well with the mouse if you want. And finally, bird. Save. And that saved your list of choices, and now we need to click done to save the overall column. You'll see that worked. Type is in bold because we haven't saved the table yet. We'll add a few more columns, then we'll save the table. So another add column. This will be for weight. The data type on this one, we're going to choose decimal number and click done. Next we have date of last visit. So when did the pet last go to the vet? This will be a date. Date only, we're not interested in the time, so date only, done. Just two more. We need a picture. Call this picture. Data type here, there is actually one for image, and we want to make this primary image. I'll show you in the UI, the end user UI, what that means when we're done here, but check that. Say done. And then lastly, we need the pet owner. This is going to connect to the contact table. So for that, we need a lookup. This will let us browse to a contact and choose one contact. So we'll choose the contact table, leave everything else the same, and click done. Finally, save the table. And that's it. We've created the table and columns. To build out the forms for the table, check out this video next.